Hey, welcome back, traders, to your Sunday 7 p.m. Eastern live stream. Your host, Mr. Know-It-All. Thank you guys so much for joining me this evening, and for every evening that you have joined me up till this point. So what's Bitcoin doing, guys? Are we going down? Are we going up? What are we doing, right? So I wanted to take a look here closely on the 4-hour for you guys, and it does seem like we might have put in some sort of short-term bottom here, at least on the 4-hour time scale. I am seeing this to be shown as some divergence here happening on the RSI, right? We have a higher low on the RSI than this low from a couple days ago, and we've made some lower lows on the price, right? And we're flashing some signals here on the MFI that does sound promising. We are in a falling structure here. Can be regarded as a wedge structure, right? We have some tightening ranging happening here, and the 4-hour about to close green, which is looking pretty good. On the regular candles, we are showing potentially a continuation on the 4-hour. All right, so this does sound promising for Bitcoin here. Maybe we do get a bit of a retrace out. All right, we are in a squeeze on the 4-hour DMI, and we're showing regular bullish divergence here on the 4-hour time scale. So this does look promising. We do need to get back above this 45,660 area to reclaim that area as a support. Okay. Well, guys, let me know if the music's too loud or the music's not loud enough, or you guys can hear me or not. Let's get some feedback here in the chat, all right? Just so I know going through the whole stream here. What's going on, soldier? Music's too loud. Okay. I have it on a really low setting, but I will lower it. All right, we have a new day, guys. We did get confirmation of a continuation potentially here on the 4-hour for Bitcoin. So let's see if we do get indeed this continuation, and perhaps a possible live long trade for you guys on stream tonight. That's better. Okay, yeah. Just let me know, guys, because obviously I don't know how loud it's coming in on my end. So appreciate your guys' feedback on that. Okay. All right. So as I've pointed out here, this does look like a falling wedge structure here on Bitcoin. We're gonna obviously go look at a couple other assets here. We're gonna look at Ethereum and maybe some other assets that you guys. Thank you so much, Gaurav. Appreciate your kind words, man. I really do work hard for you guys here and for the community. All right. Excellent. I'm going to look at Ethereum here for you guys tonight as well. Let me clean up this chart a little bit for you guys. So you guys can see we have this supply line coming down here, right? This is an area where there might be sellers coming in, okay? And so we want to be aware of that if you are taking a trade, okay? But again, this does look like a nice falling wedge type structure on the 4-hour. We're seeing a lot of the same things we're seeing on Bitcoin right now, where we're in this this squeeze on the DMI, on the directional movement index, and we've confirmed a 4-hour continuation. Hopefully we can break back above this level here, this 1440 area, and Yeah, we did get a monthly candle close as well. Yeah, let's take a look at that actually. So the monthly candle did close green, so that's good. We didn't, you know, print like a bad monthly candle, so that again, that is good. Again, guys, we are way up here in outer space on the RSI, though. We're at 83. Okay, keep that in mind. We could stay up here though. We could just, you know, fluctuate in this range during this bull market. All right, but don't be shocked if we do get a continuation down, because the monthly is overbought, right? Remember that. Remember that the monthly is overbought. But on the shorter time scales, like I said before, we are showing potentially a reversal potential here. It's not confirmed, right? We need to break out of this range here to really confirm that with volume, right? And we need to not get rejected here. We should not sell your ETH until it recovered. Yeah, I mean, that's something you could wait for. The 4 hour is still in bearish territory here on ETH, right? We're sitting at 43. We need to get back above this, desperately need to get back above this 1440 area. Okay. But you can see the narrowing ranging happening here on Ethereum, but more so on Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin actually looks, in my opinion, looks better than Ethereum right now. Thank you so much, Ace. I really appreciate the $5 super chat. Thank you guys again so much for your super chats and all your guys' support here along the way. All right. So yeah, Bitcoin definitely showing signs of reversal here. We gotta see if we can get some bids that do come in. Obviously, you know, the technicals can show this stuff, but if you know, if the traditional markets and equities markets continue to sell off, unfortunately, Bitcoin is still somewhat correlated to traditional assets and to equities markets. Okay, and we're gonna look at that here after we're done analyzing Bitcoin a bit, but there is a potential opportunity here that we can get a long opportunity here towards the bottom of this structure. If we end up rejecting this, we're obviously going to continue on lower, and we're looking, if we do head on lower, we are looking at this $41,000 area as a major level here of support if we cannot find bids here and reverse the price action. All right, guys. So if you are trading this, trade carefully to the long side. You know, set your stops below the demand line here around this 43,118 area, and look to take profits, you know, towards the supply line. And if you get a breakout, perfect. You know, be looking for take profits, you know, up along each level here. And ultimately, if this is a falling wedge structure, you know, the whole move would actually result in us getting back to this swing high of $58,000. All right, but this could take some time. This may not happen right away, right? All right, so okay, we'll look at Cosmos. Yeah, sure. There was also another chart here that I wanted you guys to maybe look at. Todd actually brought this to my attention, which is interesting. Is the major trend line here from back in 2013. Now, obviously, we're way above it, right? So we're in distribution zone, and below it would be the accumulation zone, right? So back here in you know, in 2020, 2019, when we were below it, obviously these were optimal times to be buying. And you know, up here, you know, you could be, you know, looking to take profits or, you know, buy pullbacks and such. So just a visual real quick here that that Todd wanted me to show you guys tonight. I do agree with it in a way. I also think that there's more, obviously there's more institutional interest right now with Bitcoin, so they may not want such distribution, right? They might want to just buy up all this Bitcoin, which is what they've been doing, right? So going forward, this may not be as accurate, but we're going to see going forward how this does play out. Okay, just wanted to make you guys aware of this chart. It does exist, and there is this happening right now, right? Cosmos, we can look at Cosmos. Another trade setup here I was looking at here was Synthetics Network. It came up on my screener under a relative volume of over 2 earlier. I mean, maybe not right now, that a new day just started, right? So, but these are on Binance, right? I'm looking at all the perp charts here. Yeah, and maybe Ren looks like it's got a relative volume higher than everything else right now. But before, it did have some push on SNX. So this does look pretty good as well, all right? Nice little descending broadening structure. How can this go higher? It's so extended on every indicator, LOL. Well, I mean, just the fact that the DXY, we all know what's happening with the DXY, right? And the fundamentals behind the US dollar right now, Jules. Yeah, it's definitely correlated to the DXY in traditional markets, okay? Bitcoin is inherently a deflationary asset, right? I don't know if you noticed or if you've been around for a bit, they've been printing trillions of dollars like out of thin air. So, you know, implications of the dollar, yeah, we might get a bounce here, sure. We might get a dead cat bounce back up to the 92 area, which would in turn cause Bitcoin to react to that, sure. Like I said, we could go back down to that 40K area, and that's something that can happen, right? The DXY looks like it's ready to maybe rally some more, right? We're going to end up seeing how this actually plays out. This could just be a fake out pump here for the DXY just to become, you know, get this nice little move up and make a lower high again, and then just continue down, right? Because the DXY fundamentally right now is not looking so good. As you guys know, on March 17th, they're probably going to be approving another $3 trillion to be printed. I wonder how that's going to affect the DXY, right? And markets. Like, are they really gonna raise interest rates right now? I don't think so. I think that if they did that, then that would exacerbate a further recession. That we're probably already in a recession. That businesses, you know. It would actually just completely defunk the entire system if they raised interest rates right now. So think about that. All right. Bitcoin can stay overbought for as long as it wants to stay overbought, just like the stock market can remain overbought for as long as it wants to stay overbought, okay? Jules, yeah, there's plenty of uncertainty. I mean, listen, man, RSI is just a measure of the strength, right, of the movement, right? It doesn't mean we can't stay overbought. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay. We'll look at a couple other assets here. I think Cosmos was one of them. We're gonna look at that right now. Well, I mean, you guys can see it. I mean, we got to these ranges here, and we're getting the pullback now. So you guys know what happens after we get to these measured moves. Well, we get the pullbacks, right? So this still actually looks good. We're just consolidating here now. We might come back down to this if Bitcoin decides that it wants to continue its correction. Well, guess what? These are all going to follow it. We're looking at maybe the $15 area if we don't hold these levels up here, which would be this major 1414 fib extension, and that's kind of what we're seeing right now, right? So like, there's no reason to panic, guys. Like, this is normal. We've been straight up since July 27th. Okay, we've literally had the bullish pennant breakout. We hit the measured move, and we're having a bit of a correction right now. That's what's going on in this market. So in terms of a trade here, yeah, I mean, I don't know if this is ready just yet for a trade. I liked SNX much better than this. Look at this chart here. Again, it's going to really depend on what Bitcoin does, right? So is Bitcoin on the move right now? Well, it looks like it is. Looks like we might actually get this 4-hour reversal, okay? So this is looking sort of promising right now. And we're actually in a bit of a live trade here right now on Synthetics Network. I'm gonna just pull this on over for you guys. We did enter earlier on this 1888 area. We actually traded a couple times up to from 1850 area. We got stopped out up here. I set a tight stop, and now we're in another trade on it. I think again this is going to be another nice little trade, and we're gonna just cover this chart here real quick just so you guys can see what I'm seeing on the chart. I think I covered it before, but if you guys are just joining. Hey brother, ADA, if ADA go down, is $1 a good place for a buy-in? I mean, you would think that would be a good area of value, right? That'd be like 40% drop or 48% drop from its swing high. So yeah, that could be a spot to look at, right? We can take a look at that here in a second. I'll look at ADA for you guys. ADA actually looking pretty strong relatively to the other coins on this market right now. And obviously that's going to be attributed to what they have releasing here. I believe that they're like doing a hard fork or something fundamental. But you can see this uptrend, we're nicely holding it. Got another higher low here coming in on the 4 hour. On the hourly, we're just consolidating here right now. All right, we are in bullish territory, sitting around 55 on the RSI. We could just consolidate here. Maybe consolidate here, maybe bounce off this demand line one more time before breaking out, okay? And yeah, you can see that the levels here looking left, you can see that this 115 area is a major level right now. I used it as support twice, and we pivoted both times off of it. And so, yeah, looking left, you can see that 97-cent area is an area, right? And then looking left, way left in the chart is what you guys really want to be doing, okay? So right now you can see CRM. I'll take a look at it, man. Absolutely. So for all you guys that are questioning, you know, where to buy things, just look left in the chart. ADA, obviously this area right here, this $1.15 area is a major level, right? We broke out of it. We're back testing it right now. If we break this level, well, you guys are looking at these wicks right here, looking at 99 cents, that $1 area. If we break 99 cents, well, you guys know where we're going. We're just going to go all the way down based on where these support levels are. Okay. All right, what did I miss here? RSR and FTM. Okay, yeah, let's take a look at reserve rights. What's going on, Ramsey? How are you, man? So we can see here for reserve rights, we're getting awfully close to this demand line right here. You know, we had some rejection here. I mean, this almost looks like a bullish pin bar that closed on the daily. So that in itself is bullish, but yeah, I mean, we are sitting in bullish territory here, 53 on the RSI. This looks pretty good on the daily. Go to a 4 hour. So we're making these higher lows, right? We have low, higher low, higher low. We need to break these highs, right? We need to break these highs and confirm a breakout above it, back test it, and make another higher low to have C and C continuation, right? That's really what we're looking for. Guys, we are in a live trade here on SNX, just so you guys know. I might need to go back on my VPN here to set my stop, but I'm just want to show you guys that I am in a live trade here tonight. We did re-enter here at 1888. We are up 6% right now on this trade, and we do think we could see SNX get up to this neckline here at 22 bucks. Okay, so that's really the swing target here for SNX. As you guys can see, we're in the green band territory here and crossing through this resistance area here on the 4 hour time scale. All right, so I am bullish on SNX. You can see clearly that we just crossed in the bullish territory here on the 4 hour. So did we hit bottom on BTC? You know, I did discuss that earlier in the stream, Ramsey. If we can successfully break out of this wedge, which is what the name of the title of the stream is, which is I think what we're doing right now, guys. We are actually breaking out, or trying to attempt to break out here on live stream for you guys. Do I ever fear getting banned on Binance? I mean, if I get banned, I get banned, man. What am I gonna do? Anyways, guys, we are witnessing a falling wedge breakout right now live on stream for you guys. You guys are enjoying the live stream here and the live coverage, please smash the like button up, hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and make sure you guys tick the little bell. If you guys are trying to join the movement, I've posted the Discord here in the chat for you guys. I will pin it. Make sure you guys check it out. Join the Discord, join the movement. So there is a 68% chance that we are going to break out to the upside here in this structure. This is a falling wedge. Thanks, Jules. I appreciate that, man. So if this is a market bottom here, guys, we are looking to retake this 46,486 area and use it as support. 88, we just covered 88, Sonny. You can scroll back in the stream a bit. Joey, good evening. Is there enough buying pressure on a Sunday night? I guess we're gonna see, right? We're coming to an area here. Well, the futures markets are open, right? So futures markets are I guess I'm gonna delay a little bit on the futures. But yeah, I mean, Bitcoin is down here a little bit on the futures. But I am delayed here a little bit on the futures market. Okay. But yeah, we're at a critical spot here for a breakout if we do get it. Again, my oscillators and my indicators here are pointing up. So this does look pretty promising. From we just covered ETH, man. It doesn't look as good as Bitcoin. But if Bitcoin is going to recover here, I'm sure it's going to drag a lot of the altcoin market with it. And Bitcoin dominance here is trying to pivot up higher here on the 4 hour. All right, so that could definitely have an impact on the altcoins. You could see the higher lows being made. It's trying to round out here. I thought maybe we'd get back up to 67% and then, you know, make this head and shoulders pattern and just go into complete altcoin season. But I will say, guys, the ETH BTC chart did just confirm a monthly, I repeat, a monthly continuation on the STP buy sell zone indicator. All right. So we did just confirm this monthly continuation. We're going to see if this, obviously this candle just opened, right? So we're going to see if this this actually ends up turning green and continuing, okay? And yes, we're going to cover FTM. Okay, so this is FTM. Also in this falling structure, okay? Looks like it actually broke out of it here on the hourly. Right, you can see the DMI was in a squeeze, but falling price action, and the RSI headed up now on the hourly timescale here. So yeah, another great trade opportunity here for FTM. Again, this doesn't look as good as Bitcoin does, but we can go back to it. We can go look at BNB. Yeah, sure. Let's take a look at BNB. BNB does look nice, man. I did say this earlier about BNB. I was talking to somebody about it. I did say that 220 area was going to be a potential reversal area for it. And yeah, we got what's called like the dragon here, right? Or a downslope consolidation. And we're putting in these higher lows. And this 4 hour is showing a potential continuation candle. And so the DMI here looking nice, right? Like about to cross up here on the median trend line. And we're looking at about a 30% move once we break out of this little structure here. So yeah, we'd be targeting, like in the short term here, we'd be targeting about 275. Obviously, you know, we break this entire structure, we're looking to break these previous highs around 350. And, you know, I mean, let's go to the weekly, right? So this entire structure I had, fucking this now. I had, you know, a measured move just based on this structure here, you know, from swing low to swing high, 994%, putting big BNB up to $420, all right? Yeah, any thoughts on BNB tied to BTC? And guys, the whole market is basically tied to Bitcoin. Like, you know, that's just how this market works. If you guys are new and don't know about that, then, well, hopefully you guys have just learned that. Kusama, yeah, let's take a look at Kusama. Great project, by the way, Kusama. Major uptrend for Kusama here. You know, we are getting this consolidation. Does look like a bit of a falling structure, falling wedge structure. This does look nice, right? You guys can see this on the 4 hour. This is starting to look nice. We're starting to round out here. We're showing some regular bullish divergence. Guys, they all respect the TA, you know. They definitely all respect the TA for sure. Sure, Trentborn, we can look at COTI for you. It's actually looking pretty good. You can see the consecutive higher lows we've been making. We're just trading up through this channel, so looking nice. Break this down sloping resistance here, and you'll get a breakout back to this 22 cent area, and the 4 hour is indicating that we are about to get a cross back up. That looks nice. EFX, yeah, absolutely. We can look at that for sure. So just real quick here on the Cody, okay? Based on the bottom here to the top of the structure, if you do breakout, is about a 47% measured move, all right, from the breakout area. You know, putting you up to new all-time highs. Not sure if you guys are in dubstep, but this is a bit of a dub song for you guys. All right, so what was the request here? It was EFX, yep. Equifax. Yep. So this is interesting, right? We have you know, a bottom, a higher low, not a confirmed anything just yet, but if this is another higher low, you got 3 rising valleys. Here you're putting it on the weekly time scale. So here's where I'd go zoom in on a smaller time scale to see what's happening with this. So I would look for it to maybe try to base out up here. It does look like we're kind of oversold here on the RSI and the hourly. Rod. This is a pretty big dump that it got. I don't know, was there news or something on this? Is this a crypto? Sorry, EFX USD or something? Oh, okay. Sure, I mean, all I can look at here is the Bitcoin pair. Oh, Rod, awesome, man. Appreciate that, man. James, we looked at Adam earlier in the stream, man. But, you could always super chat if you guys want a repeat on a coin or something. Super chats are definitely a way to have me relook at something if I've already looked at it. Hate to be doing double work, but, you know. Sure, yeah, absolutely, Rod. We're looking at it right now. There's not really too much data on this, unfortunately. It's in a major downtrend here versus Bitcoin. Let's see if there's another pairing here we could find. A little update here on our SNX live trade, guys. We're up about 14% on this trade right now. Okay. If you're looking for value areas here on EFX, this is just a 4-hour time scale, man. So no real promises on this because we're trading versus Bitcoin. And you know, value areas here. I mean, we are at a value area. We are at the beginnings of the golden zone here between the 382 fib extension on down to maybe the 618. Okay, you can see that this is a critical area of support right now for this asset. So versus Bitcoin here, you can see that this is your demand line, right? You want to be buying against this line here. This is acting as an area where you would see price action come bounce off of it, right? And your supply line here, you're looking at a descending broadening structure, which typically is bullish, right? We can see that on the hourly time scale. We can see the buy signals coming in here, and you can also see this divergence you're forming here on the hourly time scale with the price coming down, making lower levels on the price, but making the same levels on the RSI, showing that divergence. Okay, so if I was to be trading this, well, this could be a potential long entry here, and you could trade this up to the supply line area. Okay. Hopefully that's informative enough for you. Again, this is an hourly time scale. There's not really too much other data to go by on this. So if you were to take a trade, make sure you do set your stop kind of tight as you are trading against the Bitcoin pairing. And as we know, Bitcoin is in a falling wedge and is actually breaking out right now, live on stream for you guys. Make sure you guys smash up that like button if you guys haven't done so already. Hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. And if you're not new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you guys subscribe, hit that, and tick the little bell. If you guys are interested in trying out any of our STP indicators here that you guys see live on stream here, specifically the buy sell zone indicator, where we pointed out on the 4-hour time scale, we would see a continuation candle, which is what we're seeing right here and indicated here live on stream on the chart for you guys. Head on to our Discord. It is pinned in the live chat here, and head on into the Discord channel where you can find the STP trial. Actually, the trial bot right now is down. So if you guys want to get a free trial of the indicator, make sure you guys message myself, STP Todd, or STP Ninja, or really any of the mods, but obviously STP guys with tags here, myself here, Mr. Know-It-All. Just message me your trading username, and we will get you guys set up here on a 7-day free trial to test out the indicator, okay? Looks like ETH has bounced nicely since 1300. Absolutely, that was an area of value for Ethereum. Like I said before, guys, the 4 hour in a tight squeeze here. We are showing regular bullish divergence. If you guys are just joining the stream, we are in live trade on synthetics here. We are sitting around 14% or 11% now up on this trade. We are going to stay long this asset as we do believe we could get close and swing trade this to the neckline here around this $21.85 area. So we have quite a nice little swing trade here for you guys live on stream tonight. So make sure you guys take a look at that, and make sure if you are entering the trade to set your stops above your entry. Okay. We're looking at this major neckline here, this $20 area first, okay? As you can see, that was a problem area for it before, and if you look left, this is also a potential resistance area for it. And the 4 hour in this squeeze looking really nice. We just crossed into bullish territory here on the 4 hour as well. So we have plenty of room to run on the RSI to the upside here if we do get a Bitcoin breakout, which is what we are looking at right now, all right? I'm going to show you guys our other indicator here. It is probably one of the best performing indicators that we do have. It is the SAR script indicator, and this indicator right here pretty much tells you or tells our bots exactly when to go long, when to go short. All right, and I would assume that we're about to confirm a trend reversal here on the hourly. As you guys can see, this yellow candle is now, and the next preceding candle here is blue. And once we get above this trend line here, which is actually synced up here with my supply line, we're going to flip to the long side here on Bitcoin. And guys, we are having so much success with this indicator, guys, that we have folks posting gains. We have a gentleman here. Let me get this up for you guys right now, actually. So we had a gentleman here post. Well, you guys can go in the Discord and see the profit gains channel. This is all SAR indicator results. So we have a gentleman here that posted on February 21st, so last week. He started using it on February 2nd, and you guys can see his chart is pretty much vertical, man. He is earning at least $100 a day on this indicator. All right, guys, you guys can check that out if you guys go to swingtradepros.com. Under shop, you guys can go and check out the SAR bot script indicator. Guys, this is our premium indicator. And I can't stress this is enough. This has about a 98% win rate. And let me find out here. There's also another gentleman that posted. Let's see. He posted his gains as well. Here it is. He even posted his settings. Okay. Let's see here. When did he post this? He posted this a couple days ago. He had 5,000 trades in 48 hours. 5,126 trades, 98.6% accuracy, $6,000 worth of capital, and $2,385 worth of return, guys, in 48 hours. You guys are reading this? This is the SAR script. This is the indicator I'm showing you guys live on stream here. All right. And we can see on the 30-minute, we've flipped long here on the SAR script. Live on stream. This is the breakout here for Bitcoin. You can see how the range is tightening here, and the selling pressure became less and less on the way down here on the 30-minute time scale. How you doing, Brian? Look up cake and GTR for me. Thoughts on EGLD? EGLD actually looked nice before. Actually, it came up in my screener. Let's see. AXS is actually on the move right now if you guys are looking for some. GRT as well. Picking up around 1.98 on relative volume. So we can definitely take a look at that for you guys. So GRT, we'll take a look at that. And yeah, this does look pretty good, right? We bounced right off the bottom of the RSI band. By the way, guys, the STP RSI band is if you're a manual trader, this is one of the most accurate indicators that we do have as well, aside from the STP buy sell zone confirming the continuation patterns you see here on live stream. At the bottom of the RSI band, this is an optimal place to take a long position. What's the price for the bot? Well, it's I believe the premium TradingView subscription you need, and a 3 Pro subscription in addition to the SAR script indicator here for $397 a month. All right, so I think it's with all the other subscriptions needed, I think it's around like I want to say $500 a month and $400 for the indicator. Right? Yes, this would be long Pepe. Okay. We're in this nice squeeze here on the 4-hour as well on GRT. You guys are just joining the stream. This is looking like a continuation. We obviously have 3 hours left to this candle, but we're looking pretty good. Absolutely looking pretty good on GRT right now. Again, it's all pending on what Bitcoin does, and as we saw before and covered before, Bitcoin in a falling wedge, and the SAR is long right now. Why don't I long GRT right now? Well, I'm in an SNX trade already. I don't really like to take more than one trade at a time, okay? Long BTC and ETH, yep. Guys, if Bitcoin's bullish, they're all going to be doing bullish stuff, all right? So Binance probably also looking good. I think I said that before. Looking nice, right? We're making this higher low right here. Also in this squeeze on the 4-hour showing regular bullish divergence. All right. Make sure you guys smash the like button up if you guys are liking the content here on Swing Trade Pros. If you guys are new to the channel or you're already been watching the content, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and tick the little bell. If you guys are interested in any of the STP products, make sure you guys definitely join the Discord. It is pinned to the chat. And if you're looking for a 7-day free trial of the STP buy sell zone, make sure you guys message one of the STP members with your TradingView username. We will get you going on a 7-day free trial. Right. And if you're interested in using our automated trading system, utilizing the SAR script indicator, make sure you guys truck on over to the website here, the SAR script bot and setup. Check it out. View the products, swingtradepros.com under shop. If you're interested in our indicator package and you are new to trading and you're unsure about how to use bots right now, check out the real-time trading indicators. This comes with 10 different indicators that I showed you guys live on stream here. The STP RSI band, the support and resistance levels, the MACD candles, the STP range breakout tool. Guys, you guys will get all these indicators here just for $57 a month on the website, swingtradepros.com. If you're new to trading, we'll help you guys out. Join the Discord, join the movement. I did a 1 hour and 30-minute Zoom session today, and I want to show you guys the reactions that we did have from those folks. Okay, big thanks to Mr. Know-It-All for this awesome coaching session. The value for this money is just ridiculous. It should have been more like $270 instead of, guys, just $27. If you guys are interested in signing up for the Zoom session for this week, also check it out on the website here under Group Coaching Technical Analysis. Invest in yourself today, guys. Join the movement. Join the community, guys. We're here for you. We're here to help you guys learn how to trade, learn how to invest, swing trade, position trade, whatever type of trading you guys are into, whatever type of time you guys have to invest in yourself. This is the time to do it, guys. All right, can't stress that enough. Let's see if Bitcoin can get back above this 46,585 area. This is a very critical level. Let me know what other assets you guys want me to cover tonight. Post them in the chat. If you guys are liking the content, again, make sure you guys smash up that like button. Guys, we have 85 people on stream tonight. I'm seeing a big disparity from the viewers to the likes. Let's get those up. Smash them up. Hit the subscribe button if you're new. Tick the little bell. We appreciate all you guys hopping on stream tonight with us. Hope this is informative for you guys. Giving you guys free trade setups here live. Ethereum, yeah, we can look at Ethereum. Yep, we can do that. We've looked at it before, but we can look at it again. As I know, this is a major token. Okay, we all know this. Let me find the better chart here for you. So I cleaned it up. Falling wedge, yep. This is the falling wedge, guys. This is the falling wedge. Hovering it right now, Jesse. Stay tuned, brother. Right, so if this is a falling wedge, we will eventually get back up to this $2,000 area if we can confirm a breakout here. This is the key factor, guys. The key factor here is breaking above this 1466 area on Ethereum. Cardano, we covered Amir. If you want me to cover it again, man, you can make sure to use that super chat button. We already covered it, brother. I think Michael Saylor is going to let it drop. I have no comment on that. I mean, these guys, if they want to FUD the market, they can, right? But their end goal here is to accumulate as much Bitcoin as they can. Absolutely, BNB can go back to those highs, yep. ETT, that's BitTorrent, right? Alright, so BitTorrent in a bullish rectangle. Bullish rectangle that's within a falling structure. Alright, yeah, this does look good. Does look nice. Nice falling wedge, right? Looks very similar to what we were just showing on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and most of the other altcoins, okay? What do I think of NFTs? I think NFTs have a bright future, obviously, on blockchain, right? The best projects for NFTs, do I like Cyberpunk? So I'm honestly not too informed about that area of the space. But I think there was some website that had some really good information about NFTs. Yeah, I think you might have actually showed me it yourself, but I forget. I think it was juicynfts.com. And you can see the historical, the volume, obviously, for the past week here. But you can see that, obviously, CryptoPunks is ranked #1 in terms of volume, right? So, obviously, these guys are really sought after right now. Ren actually also came up on my screener too. So Ren looks pretty good. BTT looks good, guys. This might actually be a nice little trade setup for you guys if you're looking to swing this. You got that 4-hour signal that came in here. We're gonna look at Ren, sure. They all look very similar if you guys notice, right? That consolidation structure. Right. Down sloping consolidation like that. Nice falling wedge on Ren as well, okay? And you can see on the 4 hour, we're probably going to get a nice breakout on this too. You know, 58% measured move, man. This is major. Okay. Oh, you want to see, sure, we can cover some traditional assets as well. Bank of America. Yeah, absolutely. Let's take a look at Bank of America. All right, so we're going to look at the monthly chart. All right, this is for a major swing. We're going to take a look at this for you guys here live. All right, so actually, this looks actually very good. What I'm seeing here. All right. You can see these higher lows coming in, right? Good luck, Steven. Make sure you you definitely set your stops, okay? And your take profits. So this looks like it's going long term to the moon, right? We can see here on the monthly that we've rounded out this bottom here, okay? And we're actually about to breach this major resistance level here. So from a technical perspective, I like it. It looks like a cup continuation pattern here on the monthly time scale. And we can clearly see that here as well on the RSI, sitting at 61 in the bullish territory, okay? All right. So just to take a little bit of a measured move here on this asset, we're looking at 73% measured move, all right? From the bottom of the cup to the top of the cup, and that's going to put us in a couple months, probably somewhere in the ballpark of $60. You know, we may not get exactly to this whole move, but these resistance areas are going to act. I mean, you know, once we break this, I mean, this is the all-time high for Bank of America. So yeah, this is looking very nice for the long term here. All right, you can see that this is a cup and handle type thing happening here on this chart cup, and here's your handle, right? It's continuation. Okay. Awesome, man. Awesome. Yeah, another asset I was actually looking at, guys, was American Airlines. American Airlines, guys, long term. Bottom, right? Higher low, third higher low. Massive ascending triangle pattern. All right, long term, super long term, probably 10 years out, okay, on this swing. But you know, on all the way up to $600 probably in like 10 years. And look at the volume that's come in, right? If American Airlines still exists in 10 years, this would be the measured move. And we can also see on the monthly, guys, look at the monthly, you know, look at this major squeeze that we're in, the buy signal on the MFI pointing up, and we're still sitting at 43 on the RSI. Lots of upside room. Steven, see, that's the thing, man. Don't you want to get in before that happens? That way you get a nice buy on this asset before that really starts to happen, right? During this consolidation period. You know. Anyways, you guys can do whatever you guys want. I'm just doing some TA for you guys here live on stream tonight. We're going to go back to Bitcoin, see what's happening. Are we going to break out of this structure, or are we going to reject it? We're about to find out, really. We're right up to this 236 fib extension right now. So guys, if you're just joining, this is the SAR script indicator. This has a 98% win rate as posted by the gentleman here today. He was trading on a 1 minute time frame with default settings on 77 futures pairs at 20x leverage. And he's saying you do need a lot of capital reserve in case of the big drops. That is a warning to you guys to let you know that you do need to make sure you do have reserve capital to save your trades. 48 hours, 5,126 trades. You guys can download those trades right here if you come into the Discord right now. This is our SAR script indicator, guys. 98.6% accuracy on these 5,126 trades taken by a gentleman here, Gypsy Blood. Can I do a recap of where BTC USD is headed? Yeah, man, we've been covering it all night. So I'm going to just turn this off for 2 seconds so you guys can see what's happening here on the chart. But basically, guys, we're looking at about a 30% move. I was talking about American Airlines, the stock. The stock, yep, the airline. So if we do get this breakout, guys, we're looking, this next real major area here around 48.5 and on up to the 618 fib extension where you can see all these resistance areas up here. Is a major level of 51,000, okay? 51,000 to 52,000 area. Let's check up on our SNX live trade here for you guys tonight. We're up 13% right now on this trade setup. Algorand also, I am a bag holder of Algorand, guys. I do like this project. I do think it has some nice legs. And we're probably going to see this going to cup out and to be a continuation pattern back to the upside here. Yeah, what's in some time. Okay, in time. One low, higher low, third higher low. We got three rising valleys here. It's ever so slight, but you can see the accumulation happening here on Algorand, and this could result in a movement back to the upside here. This 113 area is a shorter term target for it. A major target here is this $1.23 area for Algorand. What's going on, Jared? If you guys are new to the channel and you like the content here that you're seeing tonight, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button, tick the little bell, and hit the like button on the stream. That really gets the word out and really tells the YouTube algorithm to send this out to more people searching these types of words. Bitcoin falling wedge, which is exactly what we're in right now, a Bitcoin falling wedge structure. Turn the SAR indicator back on for you guys. You can see we are showing live right now longs on the 30-minute time scale. And the hourly is lining up right now with my supply line here. If we cross it and break it, guys, the SAR indicator will flash longs on the hourly time scale. I look at XRP, I can, yes. you guys want to see my major pattern or structure with this asset. Obviously that inverse head and shoulders pattern didn't play out because Bitcoin started its correction. But what's going on, Static? So this is the major setup here on XRP, and everyone's gonna laugh at me, but man, this is basically what we're looking at, man. We're looking at about 9,100%, 9,200% measured move. We may not do this whole move in this run. This could take another year. Who knows how long this could take, but this is the major structure that we're in. We're holding this demand line perfectly, and we're starting to make this what looks to be like a cup with handle. Okay. On XRP. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see this, but it does actually still look like to me maybe some sort of inverse head and shoulders pattern, okay? Like slanted maybe. But if we're just looking at the action going on right now, this does look like a lot of what we're seeing on the other charts, right? That falling structure. Right, more of actually a descending broadening pattern. Okay. Static, you're funny, man. Almost, brother, hang in there. So this does look like we could, head up at least to the supply line here, which is around that 51, 52 cent area, which is about a 20% move, okay? In time, it's going to take some time to mature, okay? What is your largest position right now? My largest position actually is, I want to say it's Chainlink, because I really got in early on that. Chainlink is probably one of my bigger bags, yeah. Got in Chainlink when it was like 90 cents in 2019. So somewhere back here, I remember there was some Google partnership news, and I got in on this retrace. So it was like somewhere over here, if I recall correctly. If you guys are looking for a trade setup, just in FTM, a buy right now. I think we covered it before. Gregsy, it was in a nice falling structure. Okay. Look at ETH again, sure. Get it. ETH's got to get back above this 1450, 1460 area. That's a critical spot for it to resume its uptrend, okay? But yeah, this does look like falling wedge stuff, guys. This does look nice. We're in a 4-hour squeeze. We're going to break out of it, okay? It's going to happen. Ave's moving up. If you guys want a quick suggestion, if you guys are trading on Binance or something, or the futures on Binance, this is what I typically look for. I look for the relative volume. Typically over 2, you're going to see a lot of tokens that are moving pretty good over 2. Yeah, so some of these relative volumes are below 2 right now. I mean, obviously you want to kind of start tracking the ones that start picking up some volume, right? Yep. So we have about an hour until we get confirmation of an hourly SAR handle change, signal change here. EWT cup and handle. You know what? I was looking at that asset not so long ago, and I did like what I was seeing on that. I was actually thinking about picking up a bag of it myself, but I never did it actually. Let me see. Still liking what I see here on the weekly on it, for sure. Broke out. Obviously, this is correction that we're getting. Yeah, I mean, it still could come down to the bottom of this, this parabola structure I have drawn here. But we're looking at total measure move from bottom to top of the range here. A long-term target of like $42. Okay. Let me change the song. It's a little too slow for me. Soft house. Man. Let's see what else we got. We got some trance. Let's see if you guys like that. Is Bitcoin gonna break out here, guys? Let's see some hype in the chat. Let's get ones in the chat if you guys think Bitcoin's gonna break out tonight. Let's see those ones. Frankie, yeah, we think that we might see a breakout here tonight into tomorrow. Can you talk to us about what causes that breakout? Well, more buying than selling typically. But what happens here is, it's a good question. So what happens is when you get breakouts, you're breaking a major supply line, right? You can see that this area here has been regarded and respected as there's lots of sellers here, right? But what'll happen is if there's more buying than selling at this area, we get what's called a breakout, right? A breakout of volume. We want to see volume come in though. So that's the important part when you do get a breakout, is you want to see what volume. And guys, we are still live in this trade for you guys on live stream tonight. We're still in the SNX long here. Entry at 1888. Right, we're targeting about this $22 area here, this major moving average. Smash up those likes, guys. If you guys are enjoying the content here at Swing Trade Pros, showing you guys live on stream here with a potential breakout here for Bitcoin. See if we can get this live on stream tonight. Adam, it's mostly just bots, right? Bots are triggering it, I would say. Guys, if you're interested in joining the Discord, hanging out with us, joining the community, make sure you guys check that out. That is in the live chat for you guys. If you're wondering how you guys can take advantage of our amazing indicators here at STP, you guys can clearly see that this green band area here on the Bitcoin chart was an optimal long opportunity, and right now we're about to experience a potential breakout. All right. The red band territory is an area where you want to take profit and maybe even a short position if you're into shorting a bull market. But you could, short the pullbacks, right? Look, if you guys notice, every single time we got up to this red band area, we came back down and then we traded in this range and then we touched again down towards the green band territory and got a nice little rally, right? Towards the top of the band, got a big dump, right? Below the green band, got to push back up. Below the green band or at the green band, got to push back up. At the green band, getting a push back up. Okay, guys. These are part of the indicator package. You guys can go to swingtradepros.com and check out the real-time trading indicators. This is one of the indicators that you will get if you do subscribe today. If you're interested in my alerts, my live trades that I'm actually talking you guys through right now on stream, I do this for you guys live in Discord, all right? You guys can see right here the crypto scalps. I called out SNX here earlier this evening. Today at 5:43, we were in a live trade at entry. We entered at $18.64. We've entered this trade a couple times with trailing take profits. I got stopped out a couple times, but I am still in this trade. I re-entered it here live on stream for you guys. And we're going to see right now, it is up almost 20% since we started the stream tonight. So make sure you guys check us out in Discord. Check out our products at swingtradepros.com. If you're interested in automating your life, obviously check out the SARBot indicator. We showed you guys a gentleman that posted his trade results for over 5,000 trades, showing a 98.6% accuracy. Guys, this is real stuff, man. We are really trying to change people's lives here. Make sure you guys smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and tick the little bell. Let's get back to the Bitcoin chart for you guys. I'm not sure about Reef. I've heard about it actually. I think it's a good project. We can check out the chart and see what's going on with it. All right, so from the swing low to the swing high, value area, this 302 fib extension, we bounce right off of it. This could be an area where we see a reversal, right? We're in this down sloping consolidation right now. You could call this a wedge, but it does look like some compression happening. I mean, this does look like an opportunity to the long side, okay? Especially if Bitcoin does break out, and we could see some price action here. Absolutely. Look at the RSI. We have a low and a higher low on the RSI, but we have the low and a lower low on price. Guys, this is classic bullish divergence that we're seeing on the chart here on the 4-hour time scale. Not something to ignore, okay? I've heard about Frontier, yeah. Is that just a pump and a dump, or do you think it's got legs? I don't really know too much about it, to be honest, in terms of fundamentals on the project. XLM has been stagnant. What are your thoughts on it? We could take a look at XLM, sure. Take a look at XLM. I wouldn't say that it's stagnant. I just think that it made a top and it made a retrace, just like everything else right now, right? So this does look pretty good. I mean, you guys can clearly see that we are still in this parabola structure, right? We're still in it. It looks nice. Definitely don't ignore it. It's gonna move. I mean, it's a slower mover, yeah, but it's gonna move. And just the swing low to this, you know, it actually yeah, let's look at total 2 versus total. Actually, that's a good point, Nick. Total 2 versus total is what we really want to see for altcoins. Like once this breaks out, once this major structure breaks out, guys, we're talking about a major altcoin season. Okay, hasn't done it just yet, but it's looking poised to do so. This is a major bull flag. Major bull flag. You can see we're sitting in bullish territory here on the 55 on the RSI versus total. Total is everything including Bitcoin. So this is altcoins versus the total cap of Bitcoin included, okay? Just so you guys have an understanding of what this is, what we're looking at. Look at this consolidation we're seeing here. This is beautiful. We're going into a squeeze, guys, a squeeze. That means the altcoins are about to explode, where Bitcoin can kind of just show where it's at, maybe go back up to like 100K or something, or go to 100K or something, while altcoins can 3, 4, maybe even 10x on some of them if they're a smaller cap, okay? And here's the total 2 chart. This is everything excluding Bitcoin. We're gonna go to the monthly time scale for you guys. We did just open a new monthly candle. All right, we did close green. All right, we got above the previous highs on the monthly, so we are in a monthly breakout on total 2 right now. All right. And I check Golem. Yeah, it's an old project for sure. Let's check Golem out. I don't even know where to chart that. Just getting a pullback right now on Golem. Right, we hit the top of the supply line here. You could see a bit of a pullback here to these levels, this 22, 23, 24, 25 cent area. PRQ, I think we looked at this earlier today actually, on a bit of a pullback. Still holding this range up here, okay, but if we break this range, well, you guys already know, you could see, you know, 97 cents. If you break that, well, you're looking at 75 cents. But it looks like it's just trading in this range. This is like a bullish rectangle type of pattern. Okay, we're just literally just trading in this range right now. Break the range, well, yeah, you're looking up this next target. About 40% move around that $2 area, I would say, if you break the top of the range. Go back to Bitcoin. Okay, so pulling back here at the supply line a little bit. You can see that. All right, we got a bit of rejection here. We tried to wick through it. Now we're just pulling back here. Frankie, we just looked at Algorand. You can scroll back in the stream and check it out. Okay, so the 4-hour on Bitcoin is putting in a potential continuation candle. All right, obviously we're still ways away from closing that candle. However, I do like what I see happening on the 4-hour time scale. We broke out of the hourly squeeze to the upside. We're still in bullish territory. We're sitting at 62 on the RSI. All right, so that's bullish stuff. Okay, on the 4-hour, we're still way down in this value area here. All right, we got a squeeze happening here on the 4-hour. We're still sitting in bearish territory, but it doesn't mean we can't cross bullish over the next few hours. All right. Guys, if you want to test out the buy-sell zone indicator, make sure you guys check out the Discord link here in the live chat. Message one of the STP members with your TradingView username today. We can get you guys a free 7-day trial. If you're already convinced and you want to buy the products today, head on over to swingtradepros.com. Check out the real-time trading indicators. If you want our stock options and crypto alerts that we post daily for you guys, check that out. I'm the one leading this service. So you guys know, these are real-time trades that come in. If you're interested in checking out our automated trading bots, the SAR script is our top seller. We had a gentleman just post over 5,000 trades over a 48-hour period, showing I think was like 40% ROI, $2,500 profit in 48 hours, guys. Come on. Let me find this post again. I know you guys saw it earlier, but I want to show you guys again. This is absurd. The amount of gains this gentleman posted. I think it was in testimonials. Here it is. 48 hours, 5,126 trades, 98.6% accuracy. His starting capital was $6,000. $2,385 of return. That's almost a 50% return, guys, in 48 hours. You guys can come to the STP testimonial channel and download all of his trades right now if you guys want. Check out Raven. Yeah, we can check Raven out. Raven looking nice, yeah. Nice little falling wedge, right? Are the tools extremely simple to use and compatible with Coinbase and Voyager? I'm not sure that they are compatible with Coinbase and Voyager. I think a lot of the trading happens through 3 commas. I guess if it's an exchange that 3 commas allows, then it'll work, right? And you do need a TradingView account. You do need a 3 commas account to utilize the SAR indicator. Yeah, I mean, Ravencoin is breaking out right now. Okay, live on stream. Ravencoin breakout. Give you guys some measured moves here. So ultimately, it's going to get back up to this 30-cent area. That's going to take time. But in the interim, in the short term here, we're looking at a 16.5 cent target on up to 18 cents. This cluster of resistance up here. If we go to the RSI bands, we throw those on, we can see that, you know, the top parts of the red band structure are going to act as resistances, and this little band right here is at basically a moving average around the 16.5 cent area. Okay, on Ravencoin, whoever pointed that out, good call on that. And you're looking at about a 58% move on Raven from the breakout. 58%. So yeah, what do you know? Right up to the red band, 618 golden retrace, okay? Yep, we'll look at Civic as well. I was looking at that earlier tonight, to be honest, as for a trade setup on that. Yep, and there it is. We got some rejection here on the 4-hour. We were in this structure. This has actually been one of my best performing coins to trade. As you guys can see, the bull pull, bull flag, bullish pennant setups here that were beautiful. These were also posted on my TradingView. Make sure you guys do follow me on TradingView if you guys like the content here. You guys can see I posted the Civic coin longs here, right? GRT falling wedge breakouts. You guys can see I even called new all-time highs for Bitcoin back in December. All right, make sure you guys follow me on TradingView if you guys like the content here. You also are liking the content. Make sure you guys smash the like button up, hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and tick the little bell to get all the updates here at Swing Trade Pros. So the 4-hour looking pretty good here on Civic. Even though we are experiencing a bit of rejection there. Is Bitcoin breakout confirmed? It is not confirmed just yet. We are approaching a breakout area. Okay. It is looking pretty good though for a breakout, I will say, right? We're putting in a 4-hour potential continuation candle. What is our Twitter? I don't think we're actually on Twitter right now, to be honest. But Static or Nick, maybe someone can answer that. I'll look at ZRX. Yeah, I can. Where we are, guys, green band territory, right? You guys know that that's a value area. I guess we're going to find out, man. The indicators are telling us that there's a squeeze happening. Okay, when you get a squeeze happening on a 4-hour time scale, that is definitely something to not ignore, okay? So ZRX also in some sort of falling structure here, okay? We covered RSR earlier in the stream, brother. Go back and check. Or like I said before, if you guys check out that super chat button, I'm working for free right now. If you guys want to help me out, that'd be great. But yeah, ZRX, good to see a move to the supply line, right? Around this 150 area, and if we reject it, then we'll come back down, hopefully make a higher low, and maybe we can break out. Aave definitely on the move right now. We called this out earlier. It was showing some nice Raven on the move, Civic on the move with the relative volume coming in. Not sure what Unify is, but that relative volume is coming in on it. Sure. So Civic coin also picking up some steam. So check that out, guys. Yes, Amir, that is the alert service, okay? That is the stock options and crypto alerts. That is where I do post trade setups for you guys. Scalp trades, longer term swing trades. Absolutely. Yep. Is ETH a good buy now? I think that we are at a value area for ETH. Yeah, I would say that that's true. And we are getting that Bitcoin breakout right now, guys, live on stream. Let's get some hype in the chat for Bitcoin, guys. Falling wedge breakout. Smash the like buttons. Hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Make sure you guys smash that bell to get all the updates here at Swing Trade Pros. Our STP buy sell zone indicator told us that we were going to see a 4-hour potential continuation candle. And here we are, guys, breaking out live on stream. VeChain, yeah, we could take a look at VeChain, sure. So VeChain looks interesting here. It looks like we also made a bottom, right? You guys can see that we're in this downsloping structure here as well. We definitely could see a move out here on VeChain as well. So you can see the confluent area here on this 886 fib extension. So if you guys are just joining, I am still in a live trade here on Synthetics. All right, we're up about 13% on this trade. We are patiently waiting here for this asset to break its wedge structure as well as Bitcoin here leads the pack in trying to do so itself right now. We covered BitTorrent earlier. It looked pretty good on the chart as well. Mills pay bills. We just looked at VeChain, brother. It looked pretty good to me. Let's see. I do have a hodling portfolio. ETH, Bitcoin, Chainlink. Those are my main swings right now. GRT is another one. Algorand's another one. That's pretty much my main holdings. Okay. I am in a swing trade on Walton Chain as well. That is another one that I am swing trading. Okay. Walton Chain was in a massive falling wedge structure here, guys. We gave entry on this in the Discord, in the paid alert service. I also gave the same trade setup here live on TradingView, right, on January 24th. Posted 9,900% measured move following wedge. There it is, right? Push the play button. Boom, you got the breakout. Okay. We're going to go back to the SNX chart real quick as I do have a live trade on with this asset. So you can see this confluent area of resistance around this 2190 area. This is going to be an area where we think we could see some rejection initially, where we could see a move out, maybe a back test of this channel, and maybe we just consolidate here and maybe make an inverse head and shoulders type pattern where we get then continuation to the upside afterwards. You guys are enjoying the content here at Swing Trade Pros. Make sure you guys smash up that like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel, tick the little bell, join the Discord, join the movement, invest in yourself, check out the indicators that we offer. If you're interested in our trading bots, check out the SAR script, check out the Profit Gains channel. People posting gains here all day, every day. All right. If you're interested in investing in yourself and you want to learn technical analysis, check out our group session Zoom calls. I do these typically on either Thursdays, Saturdays, or Sundays, depending on what is good for everybody that signs up. Guys, that's $27 for the hour. I'm going through stuff like this for over an hour. You'll be able to keep the recorded Zoom session as well. Crazy, that's great, man. Great entry point. Absolutely. CCX, never heard of it. Let's take a look at it. It's not on TradingView. ACER. Oh yeah, this is one of those therapeutic companies, right? Ariel. Yeah, this looks good, man. Good to see some action on this. Let's take a look at it. Look at the volume that came in. Nice falling wedge structure for sure happening here on this asset, Ariel. Probably a good long-term play. Don't really know too much about the company, but we all know what falling wedges do. That $55 area, it seems like a nice area for it to get rejected at. That's about a 20x away. Carlo, you're funny, man. Is there a trial for crypto alerts? No, there isn't a trial anymore. We had some people abusing that function that we had, and we took away the trial on that. So sorry about that. Ariel, yes, long-term hold, absolutely. Look at the chart here, brother. You're sitting at 36 on the RSI. Lots of room to run up. Box, yeah, let's take a look at it. Oh, BUXL, sorry. Well, I mean, do you guys see this? This looks interesting. We have an inverse head and shoulders pattern here that's in development. Looks like. So descending broadening wedge pattern that is now in form of an inverse head and shoulders pattern here on the 3-day chart. It looks like we're rejecting the supply line right now on this asset. Right. But it looks like it might be rounding out. You can see the 4-hour just indicated to us that we have continuation maybe to the upside. And we're in the middle of the range on the band, so maybe just keep an eye on this one, right? You could see that we're in another descending broadening type pattern, which is usually bullish. We could probably see a move out, breaking that neckline structure in time. I don't know how long that's going to take. That could take some days, some weeks to do so. Okay. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Are we breaking out? It looks like we're going to break out. Nice little falling wedge type structure here. GameStop. Yeah, we traded GameStop earlier this week or last week. We had a nice little trade setup on that. If you guys are wondering what the call outs look like in the alert service, you guys can see we did call out AAL on Friday for a monthly swing, and GameStop here on last Monday, the $45 option calls, man, these paid out big time. Talking about an 1,800% gain on your option trade. What does the 10-year bond show? Let's take a look at it. What's the ticker on that again, Nick? What's the ticker on that, Nick? Frankie, you're absolutely right with that. Okay. The 10-year is US 10Y. Let's take a look at it. We're coming up to a major resistance area here on the 10-year. Monthly is about to cross into bullish territory. Weekly coming up to this resistance area right now, and looking extended as well on the RSI. When do I plan on taking profits on my Hodl portfolio? Probably sometime in the summertime. I'll be looking to take some profits. So the 10-year could probably just retrace back down to this area before probably going higher. All right. Algorand on the move, yep. What I'm really looking at here, Frankie, is the monthly on ETH BTC. Okay, this is going to be a tall tale sign when to take profits on altcoins. All right, we have the monthly continuation that came in. Obviously, we're not seeing it right just yet, but this just opened, right? So this is usually pretty accurate, and you can see we're sort of rounding it here. We're rounding here on this, okay? We're going to round out here. I mean, this is probably a good time to roll your Bitcoin for Ethereum. This is at a value area I see here on the chart. You can see the buy signals, and you can see that we're oversold on the daily here on the RSI. Okay. Get some hype for Bitcoin in the chat, guys. Are we going to break out tonight live on stream? Let's see those ones in the chat. A little update here on our synthetics trade. We're up 14% right now on this trade setup. What happens if we break out, man? Well, we're going to see the price go higher. That's what we're going to see. Jared, no problem, man. You have a wonderful evening. Well, I suspect we're going to see a major, a total move to 23%. Oh yeah, just join the Discord. Absolutely. It's pinned to the chat. Let me get it for you here. Discord here is posted in the chat if you guys want to join the community. Check out our products, swingtradepros.com for the indicators. If you want to follow my trade alerts, check out stock options and crypto alerts. If you're interested in the real-time trading indicators, which is the indicators you're seeing live on stream here, the STP buy-sell zone, the STP RSI bands, the STP DMI indicator, which is basically telling me right now that we are in a Bollinger Band squeeze, going to get this breakout. These are all part of the STP real-time trading indicator package. If you're interested in automated trading bots and our SAR indicator, which by the way is about to close in 4 minutes here, we might get a signal on the long side. If we get that, this is going to be a confirmed SAR signal breakout for you guys. Like I mentioned before, we have a gentleman in our channel within 48 hours took 5,126 trades. Okay, I repeat, 48 hours, 5,126 trades at a 98.6% accuracy on a $6,000 account, earned almost 50% return in 48 hours. You can download all of his trades right here under the SCP testimonial section, all right? That's the SAR indicator that I have on the screen right now for you guys, all right? The SAR indicator. This is our most accurate indicator. What would I guess ETH's price would be the end of the month? Maybe close to $3,000 if we continue this uptrend. What's up, Ryan? How we doing, brother? Where's everybody from? Let's hear it in the chat. Australia in the house. Wow. I'm from the New York area, guys. The New York area. But STP is global, man. STP is global. Appreciate all you guys hanging out with me on stream tonight. Hope you guys are enjoying yourselves. Hope you guys are learning something. Investing in yourselves. Understanding what's happening on these charts. All right. I don't know what song this is, but I'm really digging it. Called Stumble and Fall by Ran the Man. Pretty good. I would say Hodl, boys. We didn't break out just yet. We're pending a breakout. We're gonna know here on the SAR signal here in a second if we're gonna get the breakout or not. We're pretty close here on the hourly. All right, guys, new hourly candle, and a long is printing right now on the SAR indicator. Okay, guys, we are printing long signals right now, live on stream for you guys on the hourly. Here we go. Are we going to get the breakout? Live on stream. Ryan, man, check the Discord out. You can message me on Mr. Know-It-All. I'll try to help you through some things. What you're trying to accomplish with trading. Really, it goes for any of you guys, all right? What your long-term and short-term goals are. What type of trader you think you are. Are you a scalp trader? Are you a swing trader? Are you a long-term position trader? Let us know. ETH rounding out here, man. Close to the supply line here. All right, no problem, man. You can message me anytime, brother. Listen, man, I'm here for you guys, all right? Here to help you guys learn. Here to help you guys change your financial future. How long till it's confirmed? I would say after this hourly candle, we'll definitely get some confirmation. Little update here on our SNX trade. Guys, we're up 20% live on stream with this trade right now. We are live. Can I tell a funny joke on stream? Sure. What do you guys got? You guys got a joke for me to tell? I'm not inherently that funny of a person. I just look at charts all day. How often, what days do you do this live trading on YouTube? I'm not really that consistent with it. I don't typically have this type of time where I can just sit and relax and trade for you guys on stream. I hopefully will have more time in the future as this becomes more of a full-time thing for me. I'm slowly transitioning from my full-time job to this becoming my full-time job. So obviously it's appreciated. I need all of you guys to help me quit my full-time job, right? All of your guys' support is appreciated. Join the SCP community. Learn. Invest your time. This is definitely a confluent area of resistance right here. I'm definitely swing. This is a swing target, guys, for Bitcoin. This 51.5 area on up to 52.349. I think this is where we can rally out to, basically with no issue on this move before we get a retrace. I do procurement as my full-time job right now. I work for a Fortune 100 company. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate that. It's a fancy word for saying I am a buyer for a company. Yep. I spend company money. That's what I do. I negotiate deals. You're just a scrub. That's funny, man. My company's pretty old school, Adam. I use an ancient 1980s platform called AS400. Well, guys, if Bitcoin's going to go up, I would safely say that the rest of the market will go up with it. All right. Guys, we have our long signal in here right now, okay? See if we can break this area. This is pretty critical. Pretty critical spot for Bitcoin to break right now. This long is basically flashing. It's not confirmed, obviously, until the hourly closes, but looking pretty good right now. We're about to break out of this wedge. VGX. Go look at VGX. Oh, Voyager. That's this coin. Not too much data on it, but it looks okay. I mean, I'm making higher highs and higher lows. Sabaton, that's right for right now. Yep. But yeah, this looks like you might see some continuation. We confirmed a 4-hour continuation candle here for this asset, Voyager. Hey Vlad, great job, man. 43 was definitely the bottom, all right? Yeah, guys, we actually will be offering these SAR signals on 3 commas. If you guys don't want to set up TradingView and you don't want to deal with setting all this stuff up on by yourself, okay? Crypto, no, that does not mean that, no. You're just joining. We are in a lev trade on synthetics. We are long SNX from 1888. We started the stream. Christina, we have all those guides for you. Definitely join the Discord. Okay. If you guys are enjoying the content here at Swing Trade Pros, make sure you guys smash up that like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel, or if you're not new to the channel and you've been watching the content and you've been hesitant to subscribe, make sure you guys do so. Hit the little bell to get all the updates here at Swing Trade Pros. Sorry guys, I've been live here since 7 p.m. Eastern. Here we go on Bitcoin, 46.5. Crypto ADJ or ADG, it's a completely different ball game. I am self-taught in the trading realm. Okay. I've spent the time on the charts. I've invested my time learning these patterns. All right. Learning the technical analysis that I'm teaching you guys here tonight live on stream. Take advantage of the tools we've built for you guys. They're really helpful. They're very inexpensive for the amount of money that you can make while using them. All right, I'm not just saying that. I can show you guys the results. People post results every day. Okay, every day. Small scalp trade, right? There you go, man. This guy made $4,342 in one day. He's made $21,844 just off trading with the SAR script. He posted this 5 days ago, this guy. 5 days ago, guys. Here was the GameStop call out that I made. This was only part of the gains that day. Let me find actually where it is. Here it is. Here's the GameStop trade, guys. 1,720% option trade. If you guys are interested in joining the alert service, these are the type of trade setups we're posting. Options, stocks, cryptos. And there goes Bitcoin, guys. $46,577 live on stream for you guys tonight. If you guys were just joining the stream, man, we called out Bitcoin here, falling wedge breakout. It even says it in the title of the stream. 46.6, here we go. Confirmation on the hourly, on the SAR indicator, guys. It will take the trades based on the signals that come in, and depending on what time scale you're trading on, usually like the 15-minute or the 2-minute chart, depending on what time scale you want the trades to be taken on. It'll take the trades based on your settings. Okay, we have videos to go through that as well. You just need a TradingView account, a 3 commas account, and the SAR indicator, and you're good to go. So again, guys, if you want to try out the STP buy sell zone indicator for a 7-day free trial, make sure you guys message me in the Discord. I posted the Discord. It's pinned to the live chat here. It's also in the link in the description below. My name's Mr. Know It All in the chat. You want a 7-day free trial on the buy sell zone indicator. That is this indicator here, where it's telling us right now on the 4-hour time scale that we're looking at a continuation. It will be confirmed on the next candle, right? On the hourly, our SAR indicator here that trades actively with our bots is throwing long signals right now. You can see that the TA here is being respected. We are about to break out of the supply line for a nice falling wedge breakout here on Bitcoin. If you're interested in daily trade alerts, you can sign up on swingtradepros.com under the stock options and crypto alerts. If you guys don't have time to find your own trades, we post them for you. If you're interested in investing in yourself and joining the group sessions, you can sign up here today as well. All right. But that is about all I have for you guys this evening. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Make sure you guys invest in yourself. Join the Discord. Join the movement. We'll catch you guys hopefully sometime this week for an update here on the falling wedge breakout. And we're projecting, obviously, a move at least to this $51,600 area. That is where the hourly resistance is pointed right now on the STP support and resistance levels. So I want to thank you guys again for joining me this Sunday, spending your time with me live on stream. Hopefully it's been informative. Hopefully you've learned something. Thank you guys again. We'll catch you guys sometime this week.